I want to make two quick points. Raja Haider says that because of
Raja Faisal.
Virus, there was distance maintained. Raja Faisal. My apologies. Raja Faisal said that, because of coronavirus, Raja Faisal. So I want to ask Raja Faisal, when Kulbhushan Jadhav's mother and wife were visiting, there was no corona.
All right.
Was a glass partition put? And why were they denied access? Number
No,
one.
No.
Number two.
Good point.
They put so much of stock.
No, let him complete and then you reply.
They keep on saying, Arnab, hold on. Second thing, they keep on saying, uska Iqbaliya bayan hai, which means that his confession is there. What confession is there? Which court in the world allows for confession like this? I can take Raja, I can put him in a room for 2 hours, and Raja will claim that he's Parvez Musharraf. Give me 2 hours, Arnab. Just 2 hours. It has no value in court. It's only in monkey courts of Pakistan where it has value, and that is a military court which sentenced him to death by...
Hamid is shouting again, Hamid.
Pakistan. It was a military
Hamid
court.
is shouting. Yeah, Hamid, what's the problem now?
Let me respond.
No, Hamid is also shouting.
Now, they have not yet made up a mind. They have not made up their mind whether Kulbhushan Jadhav is a terrorist or a spy. They're totally confused. And today they are saying that we have not given him access properly because he is a spy. I'm sorry, sir. The Court of Justice, International Court of Justice will decide whether he's a spy or not. Your kangaroo courts will not decide.
Can I answer for a minute?
You have military courts. Which country has military courts for civilians? For heaven's sake. No, you cannot have a minute because you have hijacked the entire debate, and now I'm not going to allow you to have a debate because you're a pathetic little Pakistani.
Can I say something?
Right? Because you cannot... I'm sorry, forget about Arnab. You're not
No, let him reply.
Stop being Pakistani first. Apologize.
Can I say something,
Apologize for being Pakistani first. Say that you're sorry you're a Pakistani. Apologize for being a Pakistani. Then we'll allow you. Apologize for being a Pakistani first. Apologize for being a Pakistani.
Can I reply for a minute?
Say that I'm sorry I'm a Pakistani. Say that.
If you will let me speak.
No, you will not get a minute. You will not get a minute because shame on you, first of all. Shame on you. You tried to hijack the debate in your typical Pakistani army manner. No. You will not get 1 second to breathe. No, you will not get 1 minute or 1 second. I'm sorry, you will not get it. You first apologize for being a Pakistani. You were born in the wrong country. You have to say sorry. Apologize for being a Pakistani. You pathetic little man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. You have to apologize for being Pakistani. You tried to hijack. You people hijack planes. You hijack trains. You hijack buses. And now you've tried to hijack a debate. That is what you have done, and I am going to respond to you in your own coin, whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not. Listen, you pathetic little Pakistani, let me tell you, Kulbhushan Jadhav, you beat a confession out of an innocent man. You beat a confession out of an innocent man. I want to tell you something. You come to India. You come to India, you pathetic Pakistani. You come with me. I'll take you. I'll make sure that you say and sign a confession. I'll make sure you come to me in India next time. Yeah, you must have come for medical treatment for obesity. You fool. I want to tell you, I can beat a confession.
Calm down, everyone.
You people are torturing Kulbhushan Jadhav. You are beating Kulbhushan Jadhav. You're torturing him. You're giving him drugs. And listen, I can tell you something. You come to India, I will make you confess that you are Kulbhushan Jadhav. Give me 2 hours. I'll hang you upside down and make you confess. You pathetic Pakistani. I was trying to be polite to you. But you are a pathetic Pakistani.
You're not giving me the time. You're not giving me the time.
A circus of a country.
If you won't give me the time, I will have to
You
shout.
should not get 1 second. Please keep quiet. You are a shame on humanity or a blot on humanity.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.